Hello everybody, welcome back. Sorry for not my uploads again. Cause school will focus on their stuff. And sorry that stuff to hold the iPad. Sorry guys. So yeah guys, got airport update for you. Still working on some stuff. Had to update A321. I left. Still didn't finish the gate overall this time. Well, we are updating I did just update A321. It looks newer now. And there's new recent tail lights. Yes. Looks like that's good enough. And got the development tail. No. Beads. I don't know where I just down. Kind of just got home from school. Instead of going to school is just not my uploads I can get out. Tomato. Wait a second, something's different. Nah. I forgot to put the flaps. Well, they don't use flaps when they're on the ground, so don't have to. The interior, the same. So I wanted to show you. Sorry, that's a quick video. Well, bye guys.